Hey family, how are you? Welcome to my channel. How are you doing? I'm doing well. And I just want to say thank you so much to all of you who have subscribed to the channel. And for those who haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe. You become a member of the community once you subscribe. Today I want to explore with you guys the topic of being a confident person, becoming the confident woman. And I'll be sharing my experience, my encounters, how I am also building myself to become a confident woman. But before I start doing my makeup, I want to show you my outfit. Yeah. So this outfit, I bought it last year, December or September. I actually forgot. But I love jumpsuit. So as you can see, it's olive green. I love olive green, and I love my fluffy shabara. I don't even know what we call this. Is it a wing? Is it wings? Is it flap? I actually love it so much. Would you buy this thing in other colors, or you want it in this color? Okay, I'm doing my makeup. First thing I want to show you, okay, because I don't want to do too much heavy makeup, and what I like to do, I pump it just a little bit. I've already pumped, but I just pump it on there, and then I take any foundation that I have that I want to use for that day, and I mix it. You see, that was a drop. Then I mix it together like this. In other words, I'm trying to dilute the pigmentation of the foundation. I don't want it to be too much. I don't want too much coverage. You understand? So you can do this with your moisturizer or your lotion, whatever that you use on your face, and mix it with your foundation if you don't want too much coverage. Okay? Okay, so let's get into the topic. I have actually had few moments where I have actually picked up that I'm struggling with confidence. I talk a lot. I'm very friendly. You would never ever think, even me, I didn't even know that I am struggling with confidence. I didn't have women who were speaking to my life, showing me my greatness that much. They were there. I can count few. But when it comes to confidence, I had never sat under anyone who taught me, who was intentional about me being confident. And as a girl, you don't learn these things automatically. I don't blame anyone. I also don't blame myself. I didn't know better. You understand? So this thing of me not being confident, but I talk a lot, it was not balancing. When I picked up few months ago, that's when I actually realized that I have to do something about it. I'm not confident in my ideas. I was not confident in anything. Like, I wouldn't want to execute anything that I have imagined. So I learned that I have to learn to be confident. You are not born confident. You develop the skill of being confident. Some people are just lucky that already from the young age, they are trained to be confident. They are allowed to explore and to become confident. But others like us, we're not fortunate enough to be trained like that, to have that mindset that you are worthy, you deserve better, you deserve to be heard, you deserve to, to be visible. I would be just, let's say, I'm going to the mall, and in my mind, I would literally think that no one knows me. And even if I've met that person won't recognize me because I'm not visible. If I meet you for the first time, the second time I see you, I remember you. But somehow I would have it in my mind that you cannot recognize me because I'm not that outstanding. I would never, even in my mind, think that you would recognize me. So I don't know this thing of me feeling invisible, feeling like you will never remember me. I don't know where it comes from. When it comes to serious things or serious stuff, I shrink. I would always undermine my skills. I would always downplay my skills. And that thing hindered me so much in my life. Like I closed so many doors for myself. I looked down upon myself. I'm sharing these things not because I'm totally over them, and I'm not scared to share about my experience. I know a lot of things when it comes to beauty. I educated myself a lot about a lot of things. I am a creative person naturally. I'm a fast thinker. I would not sell my skill. I would even offer it for free. That time I don't even have money, but I would be busy dishing out free skills. You understand? Or if it's not, I don't do it free, I would charge so low, but sometimes I would be afraid to say, I'm charging for this service. Then when it comes to pricing my things and say, okay, this is my price, I'm going to charge you, I'll just chicken out. That is just me sabotaging myself. You're second guessing the very same thing that you think will set you up for success. And someone could be saying, how much do you charge for this? I could be like, nah, don't pay me, don't give me, I'm fine, it's okay. Knowing very well that I want money, knowing very well that I would appreciate to be paid for that service. I decided to take action against self-sabotage. One of the things that I am doing, I am now watching Mel Robbins. Her videos stood out for me. And Mel Robbins said something: confidence is not a feeling. Confident people are not the loudest people in the room. And just because you talk a lot does not mean you're confident. And that's me. I talk a lot, and I would assume, or people would assume, that I'm confident, and that was not the case. I was not confident at all. You have to be confident. You have to become a confident woman or a confident person. So for you to become, you have to be willing to try to take an action. Be willing to practice. Be willing to fail. You're gonna fail, but next time you're gonna do it right. You're gonna fail and fail and fail until you get it right. And when you get it right, you're gonna start excelling. You're gonna start mastering that skill that you are enhancing. If you're struggling with talking in front of people, you're gonna try. How are you gonna be confident if you don't try? You're gonna start talking with someone, with one person, and then tomorrow you talk to two people. Tomorrow you're not afraid to go in a group of 5 people, and you are able to also voice your opinions and voice your ideas and share your recommendations and speak with no fear. So you build up confidence by trying, by doing. So it's not a feeling. You can be the quietest person in the room, but become or be this confident person in your ideas. When it's time for action, you show up. And the very person who was speaking so loud, all of a sudden they don't know what they're doing. Intentionally building on becoming a confident person. And you can hide behind, I love my space, I'm okay alone, but deep down you're not confident. And there are many things that could affect your confidence. Your looks. I'm talking about you being bathed, you've brushed your teeth, you've combed your hair. I'm talking about just being clean generally. When you are clean, you are confident to talk to people. You're confident to stop by and say, hello, how are you guys doing? And you go wherever you are going. But if you didn't bath, you are not wearing presentable, you would not want to be seen. You identify things that make you feel small when you are in a group of people or when you are among people. And if you realize that it's your hair, do something about it. If you realize that it's your oral odor or smell, do something about it. You don't have to go to dentist. You don't have to do expensive things if you don't have ability. There's something that is very cheap that you can actually do just to smell good all the time. There's so much that you can do just on the outward appearance, just to boost your self-esteem. I'm not talking about trying to be something that you are not. This is why I'm not including makeup. I'm not including other unnecessary things. I'm just saying basic hygiene can also help you boost your self-esteem. If it's about you feeling timid when you have to share your ideas, what makes you feel timid? Why do you feel like your ideas are not important? Look into things that affect you, assess them, examine yourself, see how you can improve them. There are steps that you can take to enhance your confidence in any area where you feel like there's a lack. Just go to YouTube, Google how to be confident in my public speaking, how to be confident if maybe you're struggling with your outward appearance. How can I enhance my look? How can I fix my wardrobe so that I appear more presentable and more put together and more polished? One of the things that affect me, you Google those things, you go watch videos, you practice. Then you practice. The first time you're wearing nice and someone actually compliments you, or even you feel like I look beautiful, and you tell yourself that I'm beautiful, you go out, you walk tall. And then tomorrow, you're not going to go back to wearing ugly things or things that diminish you, things that make you feel small. You will not just be confident in a week. I am working on pricing myself and adding value to my services that I render to everyone. I want to price myself well. I don't like exaggerated prices, but I also want to add value to my services. You understand? So I have to go and look for videos that will tell me about pricing and how to talk to clients or potential clients, how to secure the bag. Here are my other recommendations for people who even love reading. Go on Google Books. Is it Play Books? Yeah, Play Books. It's on your phone, on your app, right there within your reach. And search confident, just search a word confidence or confident woman or confident man or confident businessman. All the books talking about the confidence will pop up, and you can read free samples. It's not a whole book, but that portion that you will get, it will actually help you and take steps towards achieving your confidence goals. And the other thing, read the Word of God. There's a Bible, it's called You Bible. I read it. It has all the translation, and it has so many plans. If you're feeling anxious, you're feeling not confident, you're feeling like this, you're feeling like this, it has all the plans. You can read it within 5 days. It has plans that are catered for you, and it's not too overwhelming. So you can read a plan about confidence for 5 days or 7 days. You take steps, you journal, you practice until you get it. So like, as in like after you watch this video, The other thing that I would recommend, if you have means to pay coaches or life coach, business coaches, whatever coach, go pay for such sessions so that you can even develop quicker, because when there's a mentor, you learn quicker than when you are learning for yourself. Also, watch podcasts. Add value to yourself, because these things, they do add value to the person that you are or the person that you want to become. Then all of a sudden you move from being invisible to being the person who is wanted. You are wanted everywhere, you are needed everywhere, you are called for speaking engagements because you have this value that you add to people. And if people really research you, they find that you didn't start that way. You started somewhere where you're not confident, and now you are a confident person. Okay guys, thank you so much. I hope you have enjoyed this episode, and I hope I was audible enough. I will try to add equipment where I can, just to make sure that my sound and the quality of the video is proper. And I love you so much. Do not forget to subscribe and be the notification gang, so that when I upload the video, you are the first one to know. I love you guys. Till next time. Bye.